Welcome to Greenperation. Today, we're exploring timeless vintage garden ideas that women over 50 simply can't get enough of. From weathered antiques and rustic garden retreats to charming cottage landscapes filled with roses and lavender, these beautiful outdoor spaces celebrate elegance, comfort, and old-world charm. Let's step into these inspiring gardens and discover what makes them so timeless. This charming courtyard proves that even compact spaces can become beautiful outdoor escapes. Rustic materials and timeless garden treasures bring warmth and character to every corner. A simple tea corner surrounded by flowers becomes a place to slow down and enjoy life's quiet moments. Vintage pieces add a sense of history and comfort. What was once a humble potting shed has become a cozy garden retreat. Weathered wood, old tools, and blooming plants create a space filled with rustic charm. Inspired by the French countryside, this garden combines romance and simplicity. Antique iron furniture and overflowing flowers create a timeless outdoor haven. An old wheelbarrow finds new life as a beautiful garden display. Surrounded by flowers and aged decor, it becomes a charming focal point full of personality. Every vintage garden tells a story. Here, weathered wood, rusty metal, and treasured garden tools create an atmosphere rich with character and nostalgia. This inviting cottage garden lounge captures the essence of traditional English garden design. Relaxed, natural, and effortlessly beautiful. An aged greenhouse stands as a reminder of simpler times. Filled with plants and surrounded by vintage accents, it becomes the heart of the garden. Lavender fills the air with fragrance while rustic furnishings invite quiet reflection. This peaceful retreat celebrates the beauty of slow living. Thank you for joining us on this garden journey. We hope these timeless vintage garden ideas have inspired you to create a beautiful outdoor retreat filled with character and charm. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share with fellow garden lovers. Until next time, keep finding inspiration in nature with Greenperation. See you in the next garden tour.